been going out.
Bends in two places. But yes, I see what that. Oh, I wonder if that should go under there. Yeah, that's like a step. Steps. I tried those, yeah, that didn't.
Okay, when putting in this bolt, it's down and tight behind the flywheel on the right-hand side. The best thing to do is finger thread it just enough to hold it into the arm before you put the arm down onto the frame. Then from this point, the bolt's in, and you can just use your wrench, your flat wrench, to tighten it up. That's it.
Okay. Yeah. Lay flat well if there's a button on the other side. So, oh yeah, we just have to feed him through right here, Jason, see? So you have to make sure the wires fit right in there.
Okay.
Or just back in the thing.
The star?
Yeah. Just tighten these down and then replace the motor cover.
Okay.
Get that. Then replace the motor cover. So where does the last?
Okay, one screw.
Oh, just a little bit.
Ooh. Oh no, I think.
Go into plastic.
Okay, this piece actually screws in and helps keep the power cord from being pulled out of the treadmill.